So we are in drawing plan part 2, and this is where we had stopped in the last class. We'll just delete the lines that is not required. These dimension lines we don't require. And what I asked you to do is change all these dimensions, the lettering, small letters. So let me make it caps lock, living room. Okay, and you change the measurement as well. You can move it like this and make it neat. So let's assume that you finished with all that changing the letters. We will now draw the windows. So for the window, we need to draw the window size. First is the horizontal distance will be 0.3, as much as the wall. Then the length of the window, if you take the window to be let's say 2 meters, enter, and then come back here 0.3 and join here. Okay, that will be the window. You need 2 lines inside. Oh god, so badly done and wrongly done. So I should have zoomed in. Start here, 0.3. Oh, I think ortho is not on. So ortho on karo, and then go up 2 meters. Just keep the mouse in that direction, 2, and then go horizontal 0.3, and then come back and join it here. Okay, now we need 2 lines which shows the window sill. So right now I will draw a line just for a reference. Now I will, I should not have drawn it so long. Wait, I'll click on it. Okay, I'll activate this. This is a stretch command, and I'll bring it here. So that's done. Now I will offset this by 0.1. It's asking for the object to offset and side. Oh, 0.1 is too much. That will be too much. So what I will do is go back, Ctrl Z, and I will give the offset command. I will say 0.05, enter, select object to offset, and the side, yeah, this is okay, and this is the side, enter, and then I don't need that center line, so I will delete it. That's the window. I will remove this, what was done wrongly. That's the window. Okay, and we can copy, or we can just have a text command, text, enter, and you can write here, that's the distance, enter, and capital letter W or W1, whatever. If you want, you can move, so not auto the command, escape twice, move this W1 from here to here. You can draw a circle like this. Okay, and I'm done with the window. Now I can place this window in the room. So I can copy this window, right click, pick up the center point of the inside wall and look for the center point here. See there, it's showing the midpoint. I can place that window there, and this room center point, yes, and here. Okay, and what I can do is, if the same thing works for the other room, I can mirror it to the other side as well, or I can mirror this window by having some point here and here, enter, and it come on to the other side. I can place it on these walls. Okay, so I can copy this window, a 2 meter window, to the center of this room. That's a bathroom, so it will not take that window, and escape. I can rotate the same window and do that. Then I can copy it to the, by clicking on the center point, I can copy it to the living room midpoint. Okay, so now the other room, oh, this is a bedroom. Okay, let's say we want one more type of window, which is about this is not working. This is not rotated. So I will copy this guy from here to ortho off, and I'll keep him here. Okay, enter. Now I want one more type of window, which should be 1 meter in size. This is 2 meter right now, so I can draw a line in the middle, and I can trim off the other parts which I don't require. Okay, all these 4 parts I don't require. Enter. And so I have a small window now. I can copy this one from here to here. Okay, I can rename him as W, and I can make it a little cleaner by moving the circle. Yes, so I have this window of 1 meter ready, and I can place it wherever I want. So copy this window, hold on to the midpoint, and let's say we want one in the veranda close to the door. It could be anywhere. You could even measure and decide where you want to place it. Okay, I will right now place it in the, or I'll have 2 such windows of 1 meter located at a distance, so it looks good in elevation. Then I have the same window in the bedroom, and here, and one in the bathroom, kitchen. Go close by and place it on the wall. Okay, otherwise you may go wrong. And that's it. Okay, escape. Now I want to keep it outside, so move this guy. You can hold on to Shift and select the other one also. Right click and move both together outside. So I'm done. Now there is a ventilator to be done. If it is a 2 meter ventilator, you can use the same window, and you can change this to V. Okay, just move that circle a little bit. Yeah, but it's on the other side, so we better move that V to the other side. Okay, and so I move it's a little too big, so let me not have it that big. Let me have a 1 meter. Okay, so 1 meter is already here, or we can draw a line to the center and chop it out. Ortho should be on. Enter. Trim it out. Trim. Select objects and select all these 4 lines. This line will not get selected because it's not connected to the full diagram anyway. Now I will move this V from here to here, and I will move both of them together by holding on to the center point, the midpoint of this wall. Yeah, so that's the bathroom, which needs to be corrected. I'm not doing that because I've shown it to you in one place. Now we need to place the doors. So let's assume that this is a 1 meter door, and you need to draw a line from this point to about 0.9. Don't draw the whole meter. Okay, 0.9, and go up and 0.9, and then just come and click here. You don't need this line. This is the door, and you can copy this one from here to top of the ortho and keep it here. Let's call this door as D. Okay, this is one kind of door. Move the letter to the center. Now you can copy this much from this point to this point, and yeah, it doesn't work for this side, so we'll have to mirror it for the bedroom. Keep this as the mirror line. You just need to keep it straight, and that's door. Now you can move this door from here to here. Okay, you can mirror the same door onto this side. You just need a center point to mirror this door. Center, and you show the center ortho on. Okay, now I can just move this to the right place. Move this door from here to here. Okay, delete, escape, and then delete. So that's about the door. D is 4 times, and here I have a D1. Okay, now I need to correct this. Path WC. Okay, now this line also needs to get shortened. Escape. This line should get shortened. You can click on that on the edge point, and it gets red, then you can stretch it up back. So I need a door here which is a little smaller. So now I know that distance is 0.9, so I will take as 0.8. 0.8, then this way 0.8, and join here, and you can remove this line. You can copy the same thing. This door you can copy, ortho off, place it here, and change it to D1. Just double click on it and cap lock D1. Move this guy like this and enter. Escape 2 times to come out of all the commands. So we are done with the doors, the windows, and text. You can give the title. Just go to text, enter. It will ask you for the text height. Just give a height that you feel like, and enter. Keep ortho on. Keep the text height. I think that's got a little too big. Okay, let's enter 2 times. Over. I think I gave the direction of the text. Sorry. So text, enter. Just look at the question down here. It's asking for the height. I'll give that much of the height. You can even give the angle. I'm not going to do that. So plan of residence. And if I double click to go out, I think the angle was 270, and I just clicked it. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. No, it's not working. Let me go out of everything, delete it, or I can rotate it also. Rotate. Ortho is on. Yeah. I can rotate it. I can move it a little because it's getting too close to the plan, and I can scale it also. As I've showed you last time, just scale it. This one, keep it here and say 0.8. So got it smaller. You can underline it if you want. And finally, you need to draw a rectangle. Just draw it close to the drawing, because otherwise what will happen? In the print, your drawing will hardly be seen. There will be too much of space. Again, I will scale this. Scale this one. Right click, keep it here and say 0.5. Okay, plan of the residence. You can draw a rectangle around that also if you want. And you can move it to the center. You can offset this line, border line, offset.